gonna be tough because the amount of tote bags I get from events is crazy. I'm kind of worried. My nose is so itchy. Oh my god, I'm gonna be sneezing up a storm because of dust. Oh my god, I can't stop sneezing. I can't even talk to you guys because I can't stop sneezing. This is really crazy. Ew. Oh my god, this is so dusty. I need a vacuum. Oh my god, guys, I'm really struggling right now. I literally can never get through cleaning without a massive sneeze attack. This is crazy. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is take everything out and then vacuum the closet because clearly it needs it according to my fucking nose.